Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you how to manage playbooks and visuals for your ultimate team. In the beginning, let's go to Ultimate Team mode and enter My Team. Select Lineup, Playbook and Visuals, and now you can change Head Coach, Playbook 1, Defense, Offense, and Outfit for Match. Then you can change Home Stadium. To earn more playbooks and visuals, you can buy them in store or win in matches. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.